Hey guys, Jeff Piarkey with Pop and Lock out of Green Bay, Wisconsin. Super excited to be at the 2024 SEMA show and talk about our newest product called the rear seat safe for both the Tundra and the Toyota Tacoma. This product right here is for the Tacoma. It's for all gasoline powered Tacomas. They have a storage unit underneath the rear seat. What we did is we created this innovative locking system with a 4-dial combination lock. And basically we create lockable storage, so perfect for valuables such as laptops, purses, high-value tools, anything that you could think of that you want to keep safe. We designed it so it's got a 60-40 split alignment that aligns perfectly with the OEM seats. The nice thing about that is I can get into either side. A lot of times this seat is used for a car seat, so if you want to leave the car seat in the vehicle and not have to worry about taking it in and out, you can still get to your lockable storage. It's made of high-strength steel and aluminum. Again, features a 4-dial combination lock. It's available at www.popandlock.net. Part number is the PL9930 for the Tacoma and the PL9925 for the Toyota Tundra.